Hey viewers, and welcome back to Bestie! It's amazing how some people are so effortlessly irresistible. They're always able to impress others without even trying. Of course, everyone has qualities that make them irresistible because everyone has different preferences. But some people are simply hard to forget. According to the stars, some zodiac signs have certain strengths and know how to use them. In today's video, we'll tell you about the zodiac signs ranked from most irresistible to the least. Is Libra the most irresistible? Is Virgo the least irresistible? What about Pisces? Aquarius? Where do they stand? Watch till the end to learn about all of them. Number 1. Scorpio. Scorpios definitely know how to cast a spell on others, even if they aren't trying to. They are reserved and mysterious, but if you happen to talk to them, they expose an effortless and charming layer underneath. They won't tell everything about themselves, and that's a big reason why people are so desperate to discover anything about them. Whether it's through chemistry or remaining just out of reach, Scorpios are used to people flocking to their side, and they honestly enjoy it, at least a little. Would you consider Scorpio to be the most attractive zodiac sign? Tell us quickly down below in the comment section. Number 2. Aries. You Aries are an alpha type. You love to take charge of situations using your leadership skills in every area that you can get your hands on. This makes you extremely attractive and allows you to confidently approach others. You also have passion, which shows through in pretty much everything you take on. Your competitive side could go both ways though. It could make you seductive, but also cocky, so make sure to keep it in check. Number 3. Leo. Fire is the element of Leo the lion. They can be defined as someone who is playful, feisty, and warm. Giving the king of the jungle confidence and the ability to move people with their charm, this element allows people to be comfortable with them and have fun at the same time. Leos are incredibly brave and courageous. They do not shy away from voicing their opinions. What's interesting is that they're quite empathetic and will lend an ear to whoever needs it. They are also very generous despite the power they possess. Leos are very difficult to forget. Number 4. Gemini. People born under this star sign are affectionate, clever, social, adaptable, and curious. They're also known for their moodiness, inconsistency, and selfish behavior. Overall, the Gemini is a fun person to be around, who will have interesting conversations with you. They can keep any party alive. However, they can sometimes be nosy. They're quick thinkers who are able to process a lot of information. They have great people skills and will draw attention to themselves. They're also quite hungry for information and possess knowledge about many things, which greatly impresses people. They can talk their way into anything. People cannot resist listening to what they have to say. Feel like you're missing out? Make sure you join our millions of viewers by hitting that subscribe button and staying up to date on all our great bestie content. Number 5. Libra. Libras are peace-loving and constantly avoiding conflict. They have good people skills and are gentle beings. They will listen to you and try to understand your experiences, not judge you for them. They want good things to happen to people and value fairness and justice. Libras are people pleasers and are sociable, easy making friends. They are charming and witty. They breeze through life. They are intelligent, which also helps them make informed decisions. Number 6. Pisces. Irresistible doesn't usually go with the struggling artist vibe that you're giving off, but somehow you pull it off. You're kind, caring, selfless, and you're such a good listener. Other people's feelings matter to you because you know we're all in this together. You're always learning and trying to be a better person, and that's what makes you so irresistible. Number 7. Taurus. Taurus is charming and definitely irresistible. Their loyal and caring nature can draw people to them easily. However, these very personality traits can also become their undoing in romantic relationships. They can be overwhelmingly protective, leaving their partners feeling suffocated and chained to them. People born under this zodiac sign are obstinate by nature and extremely hard to please. They set the bar too high and resent others for not living up to those standards. Number 8. Sagittarius. Sag is easygoing and playful with a strong sense of humor. They often get away with being frank because they pair it with a smile and infectious laughter. They're usually focused on the positive, so being around them lifts the spirits. It's hard not to be excited about life when you're with a Sagittarius. You find yourself wanting to be happy. Number 9. Capricorn. Capricorn does not strive for beauty or popularity, but for prestige. For them, it's expensive clothes, accessories, and jewelry. They rarely smile sincerely. These people are not open enough to be irresistible. Capricorn likes to look successful and strong, and they will sacrifice everything for their purpose. As a rule, they are introverts who like to keep their circle of friends small and close. It's this personality trait that adds to their mystique, but their inability to open up plus a hint of patronizing attitude is what makes them one of the least irresistible zodiac signs. They tend to be cold and conservative. However, their high self-esteem may attract those who seek a stronger character. Number 10. Aquarius. Aquarians are among the most jealous signs of the zodiac. These people are relatively confident, but for some inexplicable reason, they try to follow their partner everywhere. Or they're so aloof, they lose partners and friends. Aquarius is the sign of extremes in relationships. This is why they're so low on our list. Aquarius is naturally charming, but they rarely use this trait. They don't really care about their appearance. It's the intellect they're after. Probably misunderstood and disliked by some people. The thing that doesn't work in their favor is their tendency to be emotionally detached. But once they make a connection with someone, they can overcome that deficiency. While Aquarius may not be the most irresistible zodiac sign, they are known for being one of the smartest. Learn what other zodiac signs rank high on the list by watching Who is the Smartest Zodiac Sign? Now back to zodiac signs ranked from most to least attractive. Number 11. Virgo. Virgos are very smart, but are sometimes too strict and boring, which kills their resistibility. Although endowed with some of the most attractive features, they are overly critical. They have extremely high standards and are difficult to please. Because of this, connecting with them on an emotional level is hard, so it can be difficult for them to stick around. Virgos do take care of their appearance, but they probably won't catch your eye. Conversations will be pleasant, and they won't make you feel inferior. They're very polite, but stick to their own point of view, which they will only reveal if you ask. Number 12. Cancer. Cancer is a person of many moods. Sometimes they're concerned with appearance, but there are also times when they don't really care. The one thing you can say for sure is that Cancers are neat. They are one of the most fastidious signs of the zodiac. They're usually very happy in love. They can find the right person very quickly because they know what they need in a relationship. Cancer is very emotional and fragile. Those who can understand their true nature will be impressed. They are very good hosts as they instinctively know how to take care of people. They are gentle by nature, loyal, and devoted to their relationships. But don't let that fool you, their flirting game is always on point. The only thing that works against this sign is their high emotional factor. This makes them too vulnerable to being hurt and offended. Zodiac signs can be used to find out other things about you as well. These can be anything from your most attractive feature to how popular you are. Learn more of what we're talking about by watching the most popular zodiac signs ranked. Where does yours rank? Or your most attractive features based on your zodiac sign. So go ahead and watch one or both of these videos if you want to know more about your zodiac sign. Which zodiac sign do you find most irresistible? Let us know in the comment section below.